Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your YouTube TV account is active and your home area matches your ZIP code, because channel availability depends on location. Once done, launch the YouTube TV app on your device and tap the search icon. Type History or History Channel exactly, so results pull from live channels and on demand. You want to find the channel tile, don't stop at suggested clips. Locate the live channel entry to add it to your guide. After finding the History Channel tile, select it to view details. The app explains if it's included in your plan. If an add or subscribe button appears, follow prompts to add the channel to your guide. Once added, go to the Live tab and scroll through your channel lineup to verify it's present and check that the record button is enabled for DVR. If it's visible and recordable, you're ready to watch live or save episodes for later. Finish by tuning into a live history show or opening on-demand content to confirm playback and DVR functionality. You want to verify picture, sound, and recording. If the channel isn't available, make sure your home area ZIP is correct. Update the YouTube TV app, restart your device, and sign out and back in. Key troubleshooting tip: change your home area only if you've physically moved. Otherwise, contact you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.